The power of the visual in the current world is something completely indisputable. Most of the information we receive is through the eyes, and it is scientifically proven that humans have a greater visual than auditory memory. For these reasons, physical appearance and visual image take on vital importance. We learn better through diagrams or graphics, we remember a picture better than a text, and we are more pleased with simple, clean, and orderly design.
So what is editorial design? These premises are fundamental for the so-called editorial design. This branch of graphic design is responsible for the layout and composition of all kinds of publications such as books, magazines, newspapers, etc. The main objective of the professional designer is to create a design that is attractive and functional for the reader and achieve a perfect harmony between form and content. In this way, it grants a stylistic quality to the publication and gives a good image of it to the client.
In an editorial publication, everything matters, from the cover to the typography, the margins, the colors, the arrangement of the image, and the text. All these aspects are defined according to the personality of the same, of the target audience, and the content reflected in it.
Importance for a successful process. We cannot use the same design for a press magazine as for a book on medicine. It is the designer's job to know how to capture the essence of each publication and know how to transmit its essence through design. The success of a publication resides then not only in the quality and quantity of its content, but in its relation with its form and design, in the form that is presented.
Once the character of the publication has been defined, it is necessary to select the characteristics of these graphic elements, like format, material or support, typographic readability, image, typography box, and grid or editorial grid.
In conclusion, all these elements must be combined in order and harmony between themselves and with the content, resulting in a unique publication with its own personality within its genre and the market. If we achieve the perfect combination of form and content, it will be easier to obtain a faithful community of readers and thus ensure a long life within the publishing world.